Alrighty, guys. So we had a very strong pre-market volume today. This is the very first day of the week, so that's a Monday, 24th of August, 2026. But I just want to take a look into the stocks that are open in green. Obviously, we've got XPON, which is pre-market volume, and it's already up 144%, 45% as we speak. And then obviously I won't be buying this because the market cap it's a nano cap, so it's so small. It's 3.3 million. I'm not going to have a look at this, but anyways, it's nice to see some, pre-market action, because that sometimes is a clue of what would open strong on at market open. So that's quite good. S dot, again, one of the trades that I got at $7, and it's still going up high and strong. Like it went up all the way to 100 and then came down correcting massively. Now it's up again. Am I going to take out my positions? No, I'm just going to let it go and just let it ride and see what's going to happen with it. We've got some of the blockchain technology stocks that are moving today. So any digital currencies or any blockchain technology stocks, companies that are not crypto related, but is actually just blockchain related, you find them up today actually because they were up last Friday as well. So BTCT is also up nearly 50% on pre-market. The one I posted for you guys as a free trade to get into is CYPH, which is Cypherpunk Technologies. This is the one I recommended when it was $1.30, $1.40. I recommended it to my group much earlier than that. But anyways, what I love about this is it's just a clean chart, absolutely clean. What I love about this also is that it had a massive run up and then it had a massive pullback, and this is the second time it runs. So I love when this type of patterns happen, because usually when we get a run and then a massive correction, it's a healthy correction. It's not really something that went below the support. It's a healthy correction, but then I know that the second impulsive move is going to be quite significant. It's going to be quite strong. So this is why I've recommended it to my VIP students, and this is why I've even recommended it on my TradingView channel, and also on my Telegram channels. So this is CYPH, Cyberpunk Technologies. I've got another one which is called SUPX, which is a Singaporean company that focus on providing cooling for data centers, which obviously guys, data centers feed into the AI. But what data centers also has, because it requires so much energy, it needs to be cooled down. So this is more of a technology that cools down the data centers. It could be something that's massive also. But what I like about it, forget the fundamentals for a minute, what I like about it is literally it had a massive correction from the top to the bottom, nearly 92%. So we're literally scooping in the bottom. I like also the market cap is 221 million, which means that this has a potential, if it continues to run, it has a potential to go up to 500 million, 700 million. So there's a good opportunity to make money here. Obviously with this one, because of the look of the charts, obviously, but also the market cap, you need to have a stop loss on this. So you can't blindly just buy this and just hope for the best. This you need to absolutely have a stop loss on. When it comes to big market cap, so anything around 2 billion, 3 billion, 5 billion, I tend to never put market stop losses on, because there's no need. I know that the trajectory is always going to be to the upside. It's just me against time. That's about it. Whereas if you've got companies like this one, for example, because of the market cap is quite small, 220 million is very, very tiny in the grand scheme of things when we're talking stocks here. You need to put a stop loss, okay? And if you did put a stop loss, you need to put it somewhere where it doesn't really damage you, anywhere from 10% to 15%. The other one oh, look at this. XPON went up 170% right now. Wow. But look at the chart. It's so ugly, so I can't buy it. But I like to see them. I like to watch them. I like to see them because it looks so good. And I'm just like, wow, to those who bought, lucky you guys. But yeah, so this is quite a massive win, 180% as we're speaking. Massive run. I'm going to, just stick to my CYPH, SUPX, and then I have my CAPR positions also open. Have a few other positions open, but for now, for today, because of what's representing as a pre-market volume increase, this is the reason why I'm just focusing on these three for now. CAPR has been one of the best stocks that I've ever traded in my entire existence because of how fast it was. It wasn't the highest return It wasn't the highest ROI, but it was the highest or the fastest return. So within 5 minutes, I made 700%, guys. Bought from here, sold it here. I literally rode the whole entire thing, and it halted throughout. So I was so lucky. Couldn't even be tempted to sell because it was halted. Couldn't even be tempted to add back on because it was halted. So it worked in my favor. Bought here, sold here, 700%, bang, within few minutes. Amazing. And I'm also back to buying in again because I just feel like it's hit the lower trend line. There could be another potential to run. I mean, I bought earlier again here around $4 or $5, but there is a potential to do another 500% and even maybe even 1,000% run, guys. This is pending FDA approval. They've got a drug. FDA declined that the results or the clinical trial results were quite conclusive. They thought that it was being biased, so they kind of rejected the statement of them being approved, and this is why the stock plummeted. But anytime any stock plummets, guys, you know it's going to be a turnaround and prices are going to go up again. Okay, so literally buying the bottom here is just working to my advantage. Also buying and then hopefully selling at the trend line, or even going even higher if the FDA approves it all of a sudden, because they've given the company CAPR some rules and said, okay, if you guys meet this 1, 2, 3, there's a high possibility of getting accepted. You just need to prove more documents or provide more documents, and that's exactly what they're doing. So if they do get approved by the FDA, guys, and because it's an oncology drug, you're going to find this going to go crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if it even goes above 1,500%. But whatever it is, I just feel like I cannot leave my position in CAPR. I'm very, very optimistic about it. Now, there's another one I posted out for on my TradingView channel. Because remember, guys, I do have a profile on TradingView and I do have it active, and I do post my technical analysis sometimes, and this is one of it. So if we do get breakthrough the first level of resistance, which is around here, around $18, $19, you're going to see that this is going to start having an impulsive move to the next round of resistance, which is around $60, and then even the next round of resistance at around $250. Now, guys, why I like this also is ASST is also a blockchain company. Guys, think about it this way, right? Anytime crypto does well, the blockchain related stocks in the Nasdaq is going to perform very, very, very well, because the market's it's literally the fundamental of the company, right? If crypto works well, Bitcoin is up, you're going to find these stocks that are focusing on their blockchain technology up as well. So it's going to be a no-brainer. Even if you didn't move anytime soon, this is going to absolutely run. So it's no-brainer whatsoever. Okay. What else? I've seen also a few other stocks. I've seen this one, RUM, and they are competing with YouTube, believe it or not. It's called Rumble. It's very much like a YouTube platform, but I love it. I don't know much about it. I've just discovered it today in the morning when I was doing my studies, my research around this. I find it to be one that I should pay attention to. It's already $4.49 billion market cap. It's a massive company. It's just about time that they're going to go up crazy. Let me see YouTube. Does YouTube have what? Do they even have? Are they even YouTube? No. YouTube? No, I don't know if it's part of it or not. If it has a stock or not, I can't see it. But I think RUM is going to be one that could easily be double digits, guys. Again, because it's a 4.49 billion market cap, this requires more money, you guys. You can't just remember, guys, the bigger the cap, the bigger the capital. The smaller the cap, the smaller the capital. The bigger the cap, the more safer it is. The smaller the cap, the less safer it is. The more volatile it's going to be. The more risk it's going to take. So if you're looking at something like this and it's 4.49 billion market cap, you need a good chunk of money in this, like anywhere around 10 to 15K. Okay. Otherwise, if you don't have this, then don't look at it. If you don't have this capital, then don't look at it. You're better off trading something like CYF, where the market cap is only 153, anywhere around maybe even Mass. Yeah, Mass could be another one because it's just 441 million. You could be trading anything like this, DFDV, because it's 122 million. You need to stick to these more volatile stocks, because obviously their impulsive move can bring you so much return. So the risk reward ratio, yes, there's higher risk, but you can make quicker money, if that makes sense. But they're higher risks, so you have to always pay attention to these type of situations where you always look at the market cap, guys. Anyways, the market is going to open in 15 minutes, and I can't wait for it to open. I just really want it to break towards, I'll be happy if it goes to 3.5, but if it goes anywhere above 4, oh my God, I would be so thrilled. I'm going to give it some time for it to play out. We've got 15 minutes left. Okay. Oh my God. SUPX, amazing. CAPR also is trying to get above $7. It's not doing that yet. Is there resistance? Let me check. Nope. Not on the monthly. Is there resistance on the weekly? Nope, not even on the weekly. So what's going on? Okay, so on the daily, there's a bit of resistance there. But still, it's looking so good. These stocks, by the way, when there is a fundamental news such as FDA approval, the technical analysis gets out of the door, because during moments like that, hype and emotions take over. So people will start flooding in, buying because they know the impulsive move is going to come. So all your technical analysis will come out of the door. So again, guys, I wouldn't be surprised at all if I saw a massive hike towards the $80 mark on CAPR. Let me look at other stocks as well. What is that? Oh, that looks very ugly. ODTX, it's a new stock. I want more information. What the hell just bit me? God. I want more information on this one because it started in May. So this is it's called ASST Therapeutics. It's a new stock. Honestly, it just started a few months ago. I am a bit skeptical. Usually, I'll tell you why. These stocks that are just recently been listed, they get all the hype, they get excited, they push the price up, and then a massive rug pull happens, the price plummets down. And honestly, what I tend to do is I wait for the hype to go up, and then once the plummet happens, then I scoop the bottom, because the next round up, I know I'm getting it at an actual price, not a biased price, because everything you're seeing here is a biased price. It's hype, it's emotions. People are excited that it's a new stock. It's just been listed on the NASDAQ. So you're going to find this is going to be quite biased. Whereas when it does correct and it kicks a lot of euphoria out of the market, out of the price, you tend to really find the true value of ASST Therapeutics. What is the true value? When it plummets, that's the actual value. So I'll be scooping in at the actual price value, and then hopefully write that back up again. But for now, it's 1.27 billion. I mean, I'm quite surprised. Wait. JP Morgan, hold on a second. Maybe I should take my words back. Wow. So JP Morgan raised it to $29 from $26. JP Morgan, let me look. Well, it's at 27.8 now. I'll keep my eyes on it. Anyways, I'm not interested right now. I feel like this is a new stock. It hasn't had any much corrections. I won't be interested in it right now, but I'll keep it on my radar. Okay. There's another one which is called Foghorn Therapeutics. Guys, they're therapeutic companies, the biotechnologies, the pharmaceuticals. Oh my God, the healthcare industry is just blossoming. It's absolutely fantastic. And I understand why, because right now AI is helping so many therapeutic companies, past clinical trials. It's just becoming faster. The AI is really, really helping the healthcare industry. And I find this to be so beneficial. You're going to find new companies, startups coming out of the woodworks, Anyways, FHTX is a Foghorn Therapeutics. And this is also, look at this. Like, if I saw this in the crypto space, this would be an immediate no-brainer buy for me, because that would literally be a pull-up towards 200%, which is not a bad thing at all. But again, what's the market cap? 419. Yeah, I could throw in like 7-8K on this one. Let me look at the other ones. Oh, amazing. Another industry I'm trying to get into is the water industry. The reason why water, guys, is going to be the main source of of element for these data centers to continue to running. Okay, so electricity is one of them. Whatever. I don't know all the, the infrastructure, etc. But water is going to be one big demand. And because of that, you're going to find water companies doing so well. Now, already with the whole drought situations that's happening in this continent side of the world, you're going to find in the future climate change is going to really affect the water shortages. And what you're going to find is that these water companies are really going to scale. And once you get in early, guys, it's just going to be the next boom. It's just going to be the next boom, similar to AI when you first got in back in 2023, similar to, metals when you got semiconductors, when you got back into them, 2023. This is going to be the next bloom, in my opinion. And this is why I've got them on my radar. I'm interested in water companies. This is one I'm interested in as well. Not buying it yet, but I'm having it on my watch list because I'm interested. I want to see what would be the next move up. 114%. Okay. So we've got 8 minutes left, guys. And I just will close after I see how CYPH opens. If CYPH opens pretty well, we'll watch it together. If not, I'll wait on it and I'll end the video. So let's just see. There's 8 minutes left. Is there anything else that I'm missing? Let me quickly look into... Actually, let me just quickly look into my trading view and stock scanner. So stock scanner on trading view is quite impressive because I can see then what it looks good in pre-market volume. Let me just quickly do that. Ooh, what on earth? What market cap is this? 43, very, very tiny. It's up 716% pre-market. Wow, that's very, very tiny for me. Xpon we spoke about, that's 3.3 million. That's up 139%. S.Dot is up 58%, but it's 17 million. Market cap, very tiny. These are very, very tiny. The only when it gets interesting is look at this. Look at this. It gets interesting when it's above. CYPH is 153 million, and this is why I'm in it. And it's a strong buy technical analysis, so that's good. And then HVII. That should be another one I should be interested in. I haven't looked into this. Oh, yeah, because it's a finance. I don't like to look into finance sectors. Just for, for ethical reasons. From a Muslim point of view, I can't. I need to make sure that anything I buy is steering away from any interest, any credits, any of that. Borrowing fees, etc. That's all. And then I have SUPX, which is here, 227 million. Guys, I was absolutely right. Look at this. This is I haven't even looked at the scanner, guys. This was my own list that I've created together over here. So that's my own list that I've created by myself. And now I'm just getting the extra conviction that I'm right from my scanner. Perfect. Amazing. And then look at here, SPU, we spoke about that. And there's another one, which is 92 million. What is it? Consumer services, not so interesting. Therapeutics, 48 millions. That's 10% up. Let me look at other ones. I need it to be in at least triple digits. If it's 150 million, I'm happy. If it's 200 million, I'm happy. Anything like this, guys, is too volatile for my taste. I'm sorry. Oh, look at this one. PEBIC. Oh, this is also finance. I can't trade finance. Let me remove finance completely from this sector. Select all and then remove finance. There we go. It makes it much easier to see. Okay, so the market cap is... Oh, QTRX. That's on my list. Okay, that's good. We've got another one which is called Capsule Vision. Okay, so Capsule Vision CV. Let me add that quickly. Capsule Vision CV. Let me look at CV quickly. Nope. This is the reason why I didn't filter it probably in my watch list. The chart looks so ugly. Where are we at? So, QTRX. Let's look at QTRX. Okay, 141. They didn't meet targets in 3 quarters, which is not a good thing. I'll just keep it on my watch list. It is on my watch list, I think. Yeah, it's on my watch list. I'll just keep it there. What else? What else? What else, guys? What else? So let's look at the market cap again. CAPR, I've mentioned it again. QTRX, we've mentioned it. Which is this one? CV, we've mentioned it. Alvo Tech. Oh, okay. 1.73 billion. Alvo. Let me look at the chart. Oh, this looks quite nice. Quickly filtering it to a watch list. Okay, nice. Nice. What else? Can electronic. I don't know. This one. Very tiny. Anyways, guys, you get the point. I like to look at anything that has triple digits. This one could be one I could be watching out for, which is the SPRB. SPRB. I think I have it already. Let me look at it here. SPRB. Okay, yeah. So this could be something I could watch. Wow. The last time it went and did a run, it was 5,188%. That's massive. Massive. What was the latest news? Spruce Biosciences announces positive pre-BLA meeting with FDA and confirms BLA submission for this track on the quarter 2026. Okay, so they're on track to get their drug released, which is not a bad thing. So I definitely should keep this on my watch list, because this could easily, if they get their drug release, guys, this could easily pull. Wow. No, it could never go up to like $1,000 a share, honestly, because this is too much, even for an evaluation perspective. Oh my God! CAPR, guys, jumped. Oh my God. Oh my God. I should have just, oh my God, paid attention. Guys, whoa. Oh my God. Okay, so I need to really focus, guys. I am not focusing. Let me just focus quickly. Why is CYPH not moving as much as CAPR is? Come on now. Come on. Come on. Stop disappointing. Oh my God. This is insane. This is insane. Pre-market volume, it's up already. Guys, obviously, because it's a pre-market volume, I'm not seeing the candles form. So it just gives me, where the price could be. But I'm just having to wait 2 minutes until the market opens, and then I'll find out. And then I'll make a decision whether to double down on CAPR, to sell my CYPH, double down on CAPR, or even have both running at the same time. For me, it's just more about the maximizing potential. So if my potential is to make more money today, I will double down on the one that's winning. So if it's CAPR, I'll double down on it. If it's CYPH, I'll double down on it. You know what I mean? If it's both running at the same time, I'll just half and half. But this is fantastic. Is there any news related to this? No, actually, US FDA extends review. Oh, okay. So 1 minute ago, they extend the review of CAPR's muscle disorder therapy. Okay, by 3 months. Bloody hell. Come on, guys. This is by 3 months, guys. So that means they've got we're in August, September, October, November. Probably by the end of the year, we could see that CAPR really, really getting that approval and hopefully run 1,000, 2,000%. And I wouldn't be surprised at all if it runs 2,000% in a single candle. That's something I've seen so many times over and over again that it would not surprise me at all. Oh, market open, guys. Let's see. Come on. Come on, CYPH. Yes, CYPH moved. Yes, come on. Excellent. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Why are you going down? Oh, Alva, the one that we just spoke about, is up. Let me quickly have a look at it. Oh, that's the one we spoke about. That's up. Let me see. 51%, 200%, 240 maximum. No, I'm better off sticking to CYPH because the run up here on CYPH could be 100 and... Yeah, look at this. The percentages are much more favorable when it comes to CYPH than anything else. Come on. If CYPH, you're not going to move, I'm going to have to sell you and get into CAPR and double down. Come on, CYPH. This is so freaking annoying. No. Oh, it looks like it's just going to move in the next 50 minutes because we just got a red candle on the 1 hour time frame, so it might just move within the next 58 minutes, which is a big freaking time. Oh, unless it starts to move now. Nice. Come on. Let's do this. Now it's moving, guys. Now it's moving, luckily. Yeah, we're up in the 180 cents region. So let's do this. Let's keep going. Keep going. Damn, CAPR really plummeted. Bloody hell. It went from 30% down to 12%. Yeah, so I'm right to stick to CYPH. Again, guys, it's so volatile. You have to keep your eyes on it. Like people who buy and then just go disappear, especially if it's like a small market cap like CYPH is, and they disappear. I'm like, how on earth? It's like putting a toddler at the edge of the bed and expecting them not to fall. Like, this is a very small, tiny company. You have to be very vigilant about how it performs and keep an eye on it. Like, for example, like if you're entering into a stock like, I don't know, Eli Lilly or Johnson's & Johnson's, they're multi-billion-dollar industries. You don't have to baby them. You don't have to look at them. Buy and then keep dollar cost averaging, and that's it, done. But whereas, because this is a trade, you're going to have to keep your eyes on it. Because the worst thing is that you leave it and it just goes down and plummets. What on earth is this one? Net power. I'll keep my eyes on it. I don't know, 40, 300, 400. Okay, so CYPH quickly. Okay, come on, CYPH, come on. Get back to the $1.80. Once you're back to the $1.80, we're all good in games. It is a resistance around here because that's the bottom, obviously. Resistance here, so I kind of understand why he's struggling. But still. What? Why do I even have this on my chart? Delete. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, look at this, trying to break through the trend line. SUPX. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Come on, Saif. Come on, man. خلاص يعني عرفت اللي عيشتي. يلا يا زلمة حرك. We know you're gonna go up. Why the hell are you taking so long? Just do as I say and go up. Let me look at Alvo again. Nice. Oh, SUPX is doing... just as I said that. Why do I... Okay, so we're $1.80 right now on SYPH. So that's good. Let me see what other analysts are saying. This is a Zcash. So NASDAQ company CYPH announced Tuesday that is launching the world's largest Zcash mining fleet. According to its press release, Cyberpunk mining is online as of today with roughly... I have no idea what that even means. With this launch, Cyberpunk can now offer its investors exposure to Zcash treasury and mining. Why Zcash from all the altcoins? I don't understand. Why Zcash from all the altcoins? Whatever, dude. I'm just going to trade you for a few days and I'm going to drop you. So it's okay. Do whatever you want to do. I'm just going to drop you in a few days. Oh my God, what is this? Oh, this is the one, the water thing that I told you about. Okay, no, forget it. I take back my words. Anyways, guys, this is definitely going to go up. I know it will. I just have to be patient, and I think this video is too long for anyone to be interested in watching until the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I love you all, and I hope everyone makes a lot of money. And yeah, and trade safely and trade wisely and trade smartly and trade to make money and don't trade to lose money, if that makes sense. Don't be reckless. Don't be reckless. Trade with logic and do not trade with emotions. This is a good one, actually. And yep, I'm going to put this as a green. Anyways, guys, love you. Take care. Bye-bye.